channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you can please hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification button right next to it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video like today. If you guys were here for cleaning tips Wednesday, I don't know what we're gonna call it yet, but it was on Wednesday last week. We are going to be talking about the stove today and how I cleaned the stove. It actually broke, but I'm going to be using this product right here. It's called the Pink Stuff. I got it off of Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box below if you guys liked how it worked. For me, I'm really impressed with this, but I mean, I'll let you guys see the video and, you know, choose, you know, have your own verdict and stuff, because I actually really liked how it worked on my stove. And as you guys can see, my stove is white. And it looks like a new stove. It looks super, super cute. Stove is actually something you guys see on a daily basis here on my channel and over on my Instagram and TikTok. So I want to show you guys how I take care of my stove. If you guys are interested in seeing that, then just please keep on watching. You guys know you guys see my stove and my counter way more in my videos, and I'm going to show you guys how I clean it. Now, the actual las parrillas, the grates, I actually do not clean them with soap or water. I put them in the oven, and I will show you guys how to do that. As my stove, maybe yours does too, has a self-clean feature which cleans the oven and it cleans the grates and these things as well. But we're gonna focus on the outside for now, and then we'll clean these. And they're like super greasy, so I deep clean my stove at least once a week. Take off all the little trash, passing a rag through it just so I could take everything off. So the first thing I go in with usually is the Easy Off Heavy Duty Oven Cleaner. But I just got this in the mail. It's called the Pink Stuff, and I saw it all over TikTok. So I'm gonna use it on a little piece just to see if it works. Break this little part open, and then it reveals that stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. It says to use it with a cloth or a sponge. I'm actually gonna use it with a sponge. Here is my sponge. It's a little damp, and I'm gonna just put it in here. Use it on like the dirtiest part, which is gonna be this side. I'm just gonna go in. Oh wow, me putting like little to no pressure on it at all. Whoa, no freaking way, this is so cool. Like literally no le puse casi nada de pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it off with this for now. Wow, okay, you know what, I think I'm gonna do the whole side with this Pink Stuff. So this right here is about 2 to 3 minutes scrubbing with the Pink Stuff. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of grease particles, you know, but it's not, like, I'm not mad at it. It looks really cute. It did not scratch the top of my estufa at all. I mean, it's a pretty cool product. So the rest of it, just so we could compare how long it takes, I'm going to put the regular chemicals that I use to clean my stove. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Easy Off. This is the Oven Cleaner Heavy Duty, and it's the one that it does smell bad, but it works wonders. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. I let it sit for a little over 7 minutes. Now I'm just going to take an SOS pad. This is actually in the scent lemon. As you guys know, I love the scent lemon for anything in my kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and scrub it. And I'm going to, you know, wipe it off. Now, what I didn't notice, you guys, that I'm seeing that it's not coming out here on the video right now that I'm editing. When I took off the blue stuff from the SOS pads, it was blue, like my stove was blue. So I had to go back in with a dish soap, Clorox, and water and scrub it off so that, you know, the blue could go away. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the Mayors Cleaner Lemon Scent. You guys know that for the kitchen, lemon scent is my go-to. I'm going to put it all over the stove, including where I put the Pink Stuff, just so it could smell, you know, good and lemony. But Look at you guys. Honestly, it looks like a new stove. As you guys know, the top left is where we use the pink stuff only, and the other three where we use the Easy Off, the Clorox soap and water, the SOS pads, and the Mayors. Look at it for comparison. Really, I don't know, you guys. I'm really liking the pink stuff. Because I really like the pink stuff, I'm going to use that pink stuff for like where the knobs are and the handle and everything else, like where the glass is for the oven. Alright guys, and that is it for the top part. As you can see, really cute. It even looks white, like it looks whiter, you know? First thing is first with the oven. Obviously, if you are Mexican, you got pots in here, so we gotta take all this out. I'm gonna put everything in here, all the grates and the little like flame, the thing for the flames and stuff. No oven cleaner, no soap, no water, no anything special. Just put them in there. And this is how it's looking. So we're just gonna close it up. And this is how I get it clean. So my stove, I told you guys, it has a self-clean feature. So we're just gonna press self-clean and it goes on for 4 hours. This thing locks and it gets super, super hot. So I would say to do this like in the morning, early morning, when it's like, you know, everybody's asleep still, because right now in summer, it's super, super hot. But that's what we're gonna do. Just press self-clean and then we're gonna press start. And as you can see, the door is locked. You see? And it's gonna get super, super hot for the next 4 hours. It's been going for about 2 hours now and it's getting really, really hot. I don't know if you guys could see anything right there, pero it's super hot. Like everything just like, you know, it's going crazy in there. Full 4 hours. It just stopped right now. I'm gonna open it so you guys could see them and turn on the light. But that is how they're looking now. You guys remember how they looked? That's how they're looking now. So we're gonna let it cool down completely because I don't want to burn my hand. So let's just let it cool down and then we'll put them up here. I went ahead and took out the parrillas from my oven. But you guys see how it has like little white spots on it? That is gonna be taken off with a dry sponge. So we're gonna get it. And then with a dry sponge, this is dry sponge, just go ahead and just take it off just like that. There we go. Look at that. A nice clean stove. And there you guys have it. Look at how cute my stove looks now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, if you guys did like how the pink stuff worked, I will leave it down in the description box below. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I bought this on my own because I saw it on TikTok and I was like, I have to try it out. I actually really, really liked it. I didn't have to work as much, you know, on the stove than I usually do because I use like 3, 4, 5 cleaners on it. The pink stuff did the work. So yeah, work smarter, not harder. If you guys would like to get your hands on it, I will leave it linked down in the description box below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. That would help me out a whole bunch. And if you're not tired of seeing my face, join the fam. I will leave all the links down below: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, everything down here in the description box below, so you could be part of the family. Thank you guys so much for being here today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.